Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide and show text in WordPress. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe. How to unmin it. So first of all, go to plugin and click on add new and search here WP showhide and install this first plugin. Activate. And here is the showhide plugin, and from here you have to copy this shortcode. And now I'm going to my post section and I'm going to open this post to edit. So I'm pasting the code here and I'm cutting this last part from here and pasting it here, and type your text here. Suppose I'm going to type here then click on update, and now let's see the result. So here you can see show press release. If I click on it, and here you can see the text is showing now, and if I again click here, then here you can see the text has been hidden. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. Thanks for watching this video.